So we are going to do a deal today, and we're going to do it on wood beads. These wood beads have been dyed with vegetable dyes, so they're really, really cool. We've got mostly rounds in here. We do have some cubes, and we do have some really pretty designs there, and we've got some barrels, and we're going to sell these for $5 a strand. They all have a large hull, some of them larger than the other. So the hull size, you can put 3 and 4 millimeter leather through. So it is absolutely perfect for leather. And they are fantastic looking. They're inexpensive. And boy, this is really going to be a short video. Click on the link if you want to buy them, and subscribe to the channel and all that other stuff. The strands, did I say the strands are 16 inches? The beads are about 12 to 13 millimeters. The cubes are 9 millimeter cubed. So, just a quickie video to show you them. So come down to the store if you want to buy it. Click on the link. You know the drill. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And you guys have a great day.